Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Slack app permissions for a workspace, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Slack app permissions for a workspace, start by opening the Slack application on your device. Sign in to your workspace using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate your workspace name at the top left corner of the Slack interface. Click on your workspace name to open the drop-down menu. In the menu, select Settings and Administration. From the submenu, choose Manage Apps. You will be directed to the App Management page. Here, you can see all the apps currently integrated into your workspace. Find the app for which you wish to disable permissions. Click on the app to view its details. In the app details, look for the section labeled Permissions. Review the permissions granted to the app carefully. To disable specific permissions, click on the Manage Settings button. You will see individual permission settings listed. Toggle off any permissions you want to disable. Confirm your changes if prompted. After adjusting the permissions, return to the App Management page. If necessary, repeat the steps for any additional apps. Finally, make sure to communicate changes with your team. This ensures everyone understands the new app permissions in your workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.